My people, well done. My name is Dr. Toyin. Today now, World Brain Day, and it go blow your mind waiting you go hear. So no waka come out to, but sit down, make you enjoy waiting we go talk today. World Brain Day now one day when they put aside so you go sabi more about this brain. That big boss where they control everything where they happen for your body. From how we they talk, they think, they dance, they chop, they even love person, na brain dey behind them. You see, the brain gets more than 100 billion cells inside your head. That one na like say every star for night when you dey see it dey inside your brain. Every year World Brain Day get theme, and this year na brain health and prevention be their theme. You know wetin that one mean? It means say make we begin dey take care of our brain before wahala show face. First of all, make I ask you, you dey sleep well? You dey eat better food? You dey rest from stress and wahala? You dey exercise? All these things dey make brain dey sharp. Many people still believe say if person dey forget things, dey shake or dey act somehow, say na spiritual attack, na village people. My people no be village people. E fit be brain disease, things like stroke, epilepsy, dementia, Parkinson's. And e get cure or treatment if dem see am early. Today not just be day to watch video make you waka pass. Today make sure say one, you learn one new thing wey go help your brain. You go help person wey need to check their own brain. 3, you go talk to pikin, talk to elder about brain health. And 4, you go share this video make others sabi too. So my people, use your brain, take protect your brain. Now World Brain Day be this, make you show your brain some love. And if you like wetin you don't hear, make you subscribe to my channel because it dey free. Make you yarn us for comment section how you go take protect your brain today. And until next time, smile because it dey healthy. And make sure say you take care of your brain. Bye bye.